Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Bio Classes based on NCERT syllabus for PU first and second year. If you like my channel, please subscribe, like and share and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications as soon as videos are getting uploaded. Okay guys, we shall start today's video. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about population explosion and birth control. Okay, so in this population explosion and birth control, we are going to discuss what is population explosion and birth control measures. So population explosion is what? It is unmanageable increase in the population. When there is unmanageable increase in the population, that is uncontrollable population, then we call it as population explosion. Related to population explosion, I have prepared a note of it. We shall see about that one here. Okay, population explosion and birth control. In that, world population, okay, world population in 1900 it was around 2 billions, whereas in 2000 it has been increased or rocketed to 6 billions. Okay, in 1900 it was 2 billion, and in 2000 when it has been seen, it was 6 billion. So it has been increased very fast. Whereas India's population at the time of independence, you can say 1950s, okay, at the time of independence 350 million individuals or 350 million were there, whereas in May 2000 it has been increased to 1 billion. Okay, in India itself we can find 1 billion in 2000. In the world it is 6 billions, which means every sixth person in the world is an Indian, right? If we go on counting the number of individuals, every sixth person in the world will be an Indian, because the 6 billions is the population of the world and in that 1 billion is the population of India. Okay, so this is how the population is increased, or how it is present in our country. Okay, with that, to control this, we have RCH programs also. RCH program, by utilizing that which we have discussed in our previous video, by utilizing that, as we are going to make awareness among the people related to population explosion and how to control the birth of the individuals. So with that, it has been bring to the population growth rate has been bring to only at a marginal rate. According to the 2001 census report, the population growth rate was still 1.7%. Okay, the population growth rate was still 1.7%, which means that is 17 per thousand per year. Okay, which means 17 individuals per thousand members per year it has been increased. With this rate, our population could double in the next 33 years, which means it is very dangerous. Okay, now what happens if population explosion occurs? Why we are worried about it? Because it leads to scarcity of the even basic requirements, that is food, shelter, clothing. Is it? These are the main things which we want, but because of increase in the population, there will be scarcity of these basic requirements. So for that reason, we have here, I have mentioned, made a list of reasons for population explosion. What are the reasons with population is increased? Okay, in this you can find first one, decline in death rate. Okay, there will be decline in death rate as it has been, medical facilities has been increased, death rate has been decreased. If death rate has been increased, then you can find the number of individuals are more. So decline in death rate, decline in maternal mortality rate, decline in infant mortality rate. Now maternal mortality rate is what we said, that is mother, and infant is nothing but the baby or the child. So their death rate has been decreased. Because of this, what happens? Because of this, there will be increase in the population. Now second reason is control of fatal diseases and epidemics. Okay, fatal diseases, the diseases which are very serious and which are easily spread. Okay, those diseases have been controlled. So because of that also, there is an increase in the population. Third one is advancement in medical technology. As you can find, medical technology has been improved, providing better facilities, better sanitary conditions and all. So all those has helped for increase in the population. Next, increase in number of people in reproductive age. The number of people which are in reproductive age, which is that reproductive age? Reproductive age starts from 18 years or 15 years, from there till 50 years. The people who are living there, reproductive age people are more in the world, because of which they are able to reproduce and the number of population has been increased. Illiteracy and non-adaptive of family planning. Illiteracy, individuals are not educated, many of them are non-educated and non-adaptive of family planning. Whatever family plannings have been given, have been known till now, many of them don't know about it and they are not utilizing it. But for time being, as we can find that many individuals are using it. Okay, next, there is a traditional belief about children. Because of having traditional belief about children, they are non-adapting this family planning, and that helps to increase the population. Next one you have is development of agriculture. Okay, agriculture and different techniques have been improved for storing things, as our main basic requirement is food availability. That food availability, we have different methods of doing agriculture, as you can find organic farming. Okay, we have found different types of farming by using artificial hybridization, different types of plants, fruits, different varieties of food we are getting, and those food varieties we are able to store for many years, right? So that how we, with the help of new techniques. So because of this development in agriculture and technique, also it helps in increasing the population explosion. Okay, so these are few reasons of population explosion. Next you have steps to overcome population explosion. How to overcome this population explosion? In that, the government has taken certain measures to motivate people that it should be controlled. To motivate people with smaller families, government has started to motivate people with the smaller families by using contraceptive methods. Now, what are these contraceptives? Contraceptives are nothing but which are used to control, which are used to stop fertilization, which will act as a barrier for fertilization. It does not allow for meeting of sperm and ovum. Okay. Now, there is a slogan called Hum Do Hamare Do. You might have heard this one in television. There might be banners on the roadside, everywhere you might have seen with this slogan, which we call it as We2R2. This slogan has been given so that people can adopt. A couple should have only 2 children, and there is a nowadays many of the educated families, they are following this one child norm in an urban areas. One child norm is a couple will have only one child. Because a couple is having this one, many of the couples are getting incentives for having this kind of contraceptive methods. Okay, especially I think the government servants, they are having, if they are having one child, then they are having some incentives. If they are having only 2 child, some incentive has been given. Okay, I don't think private individuals are getting this, but that government is promoting for all this, so that people should have known about the what are the causes of population explosion and how to control it. Okay, this is one of the step to overcome population explosion. Next is rising of marriageable age of females. Okay, government has taken some measures so that it has raised the marriageable age group of females, that is starts from 18 years. Males can marry after 21 years. Okay, earlier you might have heard that that your parents, grandparents, they have been married in 13 years, 15 years, which has been helped in population explosion. Because of that reason, the government has increased the age group, that is 18 years for females and 21 years for males, so that they can reproduce at a later age. Okay, so this is one second step to overcome population explosion. Next, we have third step to overcome population explosion is incentives are given to the couples with small families. Okay, so this is also one of the measure or one of the step so that it can undergo that couples with the small families, they are getting incentives. Because they are getting incentives, they can be get awareness about they are having only 1 or 2 children. So these are some measures which I have given to overcome population explosion. Okay, after this we have here about features of ideal contraceptives. Contraceptive, what are these? Already I said that which helps which prevents the fertilization. Okay, it does not allow for fertilization. Sperm and ovum meeting will get stopped by using contraceptives. Now here I am going to discuss features of ideal contraceptive. What are the features of ideal contraceptive? This features of ideal contraceptives has been asked for 1 and 2 marks, right? The features of ideal contraceptives. So an ideal contraceptive, it should have or it should be user friendly, easily it should be used, easily available. Okay, it should be effective, it should show the results, and reversible with no or least side effects. There should be no side effects, and should not interfere with the sexual drive or sexual desire or sexual act. Okay, it should not interfere with all this. So these are the some of the features which an contraceptive should have. Okay, so these are very important. It has been asked for 2 marks. Okay, Next, we have advantages of contraceptive methods. We have known what are contraceptives, what are its features, now what are its advantages. Advantages is it helps to prevent unwanted pregnancy. Is it? That is unwanted pregnancy. It might be different situations. It might be a rape case, or it might be some other cases. In that, it can prevent, contraceptives can prevent that pregnancy. Second one, to bring down population growth rate. Okay, population growth rate can be reduced by using contraceptives. Next, to delay or space between the pregnancies. Okay, to delay or space between the pregnancies means between two pregnancies. Okay, between two pregnancies, the gap which should be provided, either 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever it is, it can be decided by using contraceptive methods. Okay, so this helps to have a space between two pregnancies. So these are advantages of contraceptive methods. All this information you have here too in your textbook on page number 59. Okay, here you have this one, this paragraph. It is related to population explosion. All that reasons and what steps to overcome population explosion, that it has not been given clearly. Steps to overcome you have, but not reasons for population explosion. Okay, and then you can find, and features of ideal contraceptives are also there. This is about this video. In my next video, I am going to discuss about this one, types of contraceptives. We have different types of contraceptives. That is also very important. I shall discuss that one in my next video. If you have any doubts, any queries, please comment it in the comment box so that I can get motivated, or I can get help from that. And hope now with these videos, I think sound problem is not there. I have tried to change something my speakers, that this. Hope it has been helped you. Please comment into the comment box how it is appearing. And in my next video, as I said, we are going to discuss about types of contraceptives. Stay safe, stay healthy.